Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now we are seeing east facing 4BHK Duplex flat. It is G plus 1 plan. The plot size is about 30 feet by 52 feet and the total plot area is 1560 square feet and the build-up area in the ground floor is 1119 square feet. The main gate and the large portico here, it is measuring 15 feet by 15 feet. That is car parking space are located in the northeast corner. That is main gate and portico are placed in the northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner. According to Vastu, keeping the northeast open and slightly lower brings wealth, positive energy, and bringing morning sunlight into the home. And our main entrance door is perfectly placed on the east side, bringing prosperity. And here we have an entrance space of 5 feet 3 inches by 7 feet. And coming to the puja room, it is located as you enter. The puja room is located in the northeast zone, and it is measured in the size of 6 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. And the northeast zone is sacred direction Vastu and ideal for meditation and placing idols to ensure spiritual harmony. And we kept the same here. And coming to the living room or hall, as you enter the hall, it is measured in the size of 12 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 3 inches, is centrally located towards the east. And this central zone acts as the Brahmastan, that is heart of the house, keeping the living area bright, open, and free of heavy structural obstruction. And it is free of wall also. And we have provided a sofa location here, and we have our wide showcase, TV showcase is placed here. And coming to the kitchen, and the kitchen is measured the size of 11 feet by 10 feet, and it is placed in the exact southeast corner, that is Agni corner, and this is the element of fire and making it the most auspicious and highly recommended position for a kitchen in Vastu. And we kept the water sink in the northeast of the room, and its water zone is the northeast corner, and we kept the same here. And we have our stove in the east, and we have open access to the dining area. And the dining area we kept in the size of 11 feet by 8 feet 6 inches with six seater. And we have our storeroom and utility behind the dining area. And the storeroom is measured in the size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. And the utility area is measuring 5 feet by 4 feet or well. And they are well placed towards the south and west walls, balancing the weight of the house properly. And coming to the master bedroom, we have our master bedroom here is measuring 17 feet by 14 feet. And the ground floor master bedroom is exceptionally spacious and is located in the southeast corner, that is Nayotya corner. In Vastu, the southwest direction represents the earth element and provides strength and stability and good health to the head of the family. So it is better place for the head of the family to sleep or rest. And we kept a bed sleeping position in the south and the wardrobe in the west. As per Vastu, we should keep the same. And since it is spacious, we have allocated the simple sofa set also here. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 6 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. And here the commode is pointing towards south. It should be kept towards south or not, and here we kept towards south. And coming to the common toilet, we have also provided a common toilet. It get access from the hall here. You can see it here, and it is measured with a size of 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. And both the attached toilet and common toilet are placed in the northwest, that is Vayu corner. And this is the element of air, which is the perfect water direction for waste disposal and drainage. You can see the entire ground floor plan here. And we have our staircase over here, access to the first floor. Coming to the first floor layer, and the first floor is provided with a built-up area of 1199 square feet. And coming to the upper living area uh, and balcony. And the first floor features a massive hall of size 12 feet 3 inches by 20 feet on the east side. And we have our balcony is measured with the size of 12 feet 6 inches by 10 feet, and it is located in the northeast, that is Ishanya corner. This ensures the upper floor receives maximum positive morning sunlight and fresh air. And coming to the second master bedroom, here the master bedroom is measured with the size of 17 feet by 14 feet, and exactly like the ground floor, the upper master bedroom is also located north southeast corner, and providing strong and stable space for family members to rest. And in this also we provided with sleeping cushion south and wardrobe in the west. And it is also provided with an attached toilet of size 6 feet 6 inches by 8 feet as in the ground floor. And we also have an our common toilet here, access from the hall. And this is measured the size of 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. As I mentioned earlier, the both the attached toilet and common toilet are placed in northwest white corner. And coming to the kids bedroom, here you can see the kids bedroom, and it is measured with the size of 11 feet by 10 feet 9 inches, and it is located in the southeast, that's ugly corner, and just placed above the kitchen. This is an active energy zone which is great for growing children. It includes an attached toilet of size 11 feet 4 inches, and here we kept our commode pointing towards north direction. And coming to the guest room, here we have our guest room, and it is measured the size of 11 feet by 8 feet. Here also we provide our bed sleeping position on the south and wardrobe in the west. And a cozy guest room is located in the western side of the house, and which is a great secondary placement for bedrooms in Vastu. And coming to the upper toilets, as I mentioned earlier, the attached and common toilets for the upper master bedroom are placed in the northwest corner, perfectly mirroring the plumbing and Vastu alignment of the ground floor. That's all with the overall plan. You can see the entire plan here. And you can get more plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. And our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planest and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create houseplans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out to your WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.